In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your API key in Notion, a vital step for integrating your applications and taking your productivity to the next level. Whether you're a developer or simply looking to take advantage of Notion's powerful API, knowing how to locate your API key will open the door to countless possibilities, such as automating tasks and connecting different tools. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Notion API and hit enter. This will take you to the Google search results page. Look for the official Notion API link and go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll find all things related to Notion's API, including documentation, guides, and other resources. Once you're on the Notion API page, you'll see a variety of options. Find and click on the View My Integrations button. This will navigate you to a page listing all your current integrations and is an essential step to accessing or creating your API key. On the integration page, look for the option labeled Plus New Integration. By clicking here, you're going to create a new integration that will provide you with the API key you need. It's a straightforward step, but remember,